In this video, we will be going over another type of limit problem. And so if you want, you can pause the video here and attempt this problem. So the first step that I would do is simply plug in the value of x into this equation here. If we do that, we get 0 divided by the square root of 9 minus 3 because I'm plugging in 0 here. So we get square root of 9. And this would equal 0 divided by 3 minus 3, which is 0. And so we should try another method. And so this method, I will multiply by the conjugate term. So typical problems where you have a square root and then you have a negative sign, you're going to want to multiply by the conjugate. And so what I'm going to do is multiply by the conjugate. So that's going to be the square root of x plus 9 plus 3. And if I do it on the numerator, I have to do it on the denominator. So I'm not really making any changes because this right here together is simply 1. Next, I will multiply out. So x times this piece divided by this piece, denominator times this piece. And so we would get x times the conjugate piece divided by square root of x plus 9 times the square root of x plus 9 is x plus 9. Minus 3 times 3 is negative 9. And so we would get this because x plus 9 minus 9 is simply x. And now we can cancel out the x's. And so this is our new equation. So the limit of x approaching 0 for the square root of x plus 9 plus 3. And now we plug in the value of x, which is 0. So if I do that, I would get the square root of 0 plus 9, which is going to be 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. And so our final answer will be 6. And that's all we need to do for this type of problem.